We used to go Montego Bay, Mount Salem, Rose Heights, what I'm call it now, Rosemount. But you know, subsequently, you know, what used to happen is there are times when my dad was a construction worker. He was a mason. And times he would take me on the job site. And one of the things that they did on the job site was they used to prepare their own food. So dad would get there on the job site in the morning, being the foreman. He'd bring all his ingredients. And again, it's a whole aspect of running a boat and where you take running the boat. The boat running now was now on the job site. He would get a nice big a oil tin. I don't know if you guys remember the old oil tin. Cut it open, set up open fire stove, and start making soup. Put all the ingredients in the pot. The chicken, the noodles, the yam, the dumpling. You must have dumpling in that soup, you know. Cannot have soup without dumpling. Dasheen, all the renta, yam, little pumpkin and all that, nice it up. So I'm telling you this, you know, because by 12 o'clock and it's time to eat, daddy wouldn't allow any of the workers to eat before 12. Because you know what happens after you eat lunch. So the soup is bubbling, everything is nice, tasting good. Time for the workers to take a break and sit down and eat lunch, because you know what happens after lunch? After lunch, everybody get the itis. You know what the itis is? And when everybody get the itis, you know, no work get done after 12 o'clock. So you always make sure that any boat running on the job site, food cannot consume before 12 or 1 o'clock after you do most of the work. Because after 12 o'clock and after your lunch, and you see a man lie down underneath a tree, fast asleep, gonna sleep, and no more work no get done. So, big up yourself, love up yourself, live life and enjoy.